Labtt IHR Intelligent Hardness Tester can realize automatic focusing, automatic measurement of hardness value and other functions. The experimental test data can be obtained at one click. Equipped with ultra-high precision XY workbench, automatic lifting, the highest repeated positioning accuracy of 1 micron. Equipped with anti-aircraft detection device and Z-axis rollback system to protect the hardness agent, improve the service life. Multiple measuring points can be set in the range of 100 mm by 100 mm. Multi-point automatic testing and batch testing can support the export of measurement data in a table, greatly reducing the hardness tester learning and operating costs. IHR Labtt Intelligent Hardness Tester conforms to the trend of industrial digitalization, adopts the latest generation of data transmission mode, automatically upload the test data to the cloud, scan the two-dimensional code of the body to obtain the data, completely get rid of the constraint of the experiment scene, free to view the data. The product is equipped with a touchscreen operation interface. You can directly touch the screen to select the hardness scale, adjust the hardness test parameters. The operation mode is more convenient. Labtt testing is easy.